Hey guys, welcome to the channel. On this channel, I'm going to be showing you everything CBD related, right? I'm going to be reviewing CBD products, mainly oils, just basically everything CBD related I will be reviewing, right? So you don't have to waste your money on bad CBD products because we know there are a lot of them out there. I'm going to find all the best ones for you so you can just buy the best ones and skip getting ripped off buying bad stuff. Anyways, let's start this off. I'm going to be showing you the most powerful and beneficial CBD online. Now, hands down, this is the best CBD online. Their oil is 100% pure cannabinoids, right? It's really potent stuff, right? It's very powerful and beneficial. Now, I use this personally for sleep and pain, right? It's really good. It's also good for anxiety and depression, right? It really helps for them two things. Anyways, I'm sure you've tried CBD before, but if you haven't, I'd recommend trying this one out first, right? Anyways, let's get into a bit about this and why I think this is such a good company, right? So the company is called Cbdpure. There'll be a link down in the description box below this video that you can click on and it'll send you over to this website, right? Anyways, it's guaranteed your satisfaction. You've got 90 days money back guaranteed, right? If you're not satisfied with the product. It's 100% organic, right? It's quality tested, so it's 100% tested in the labs, and it's really good. And it says the satisfaction, join over 1,000 satisfied CBD customers. So there's a lot of people worldwide that have bought from these guys and really like the product. Now, this is one of the best. I've tried about well over 10 different companies and their CBD oils, right? And none of them affected me. Now, this one is completely different. And maybe it's because it's full spectrum. I don't know. It's just because it's 100% pure, right? Like cannabinoids. I don't know what it is about this one, but it really works. It helps me with sleep really good. And like when I'm working out, so for example, I'm sore, I have a bit of this. We'll really have a bit in the morning and at night. And I found it to help like relax my body. As soon as I have it, I get like, the pain goes away from my muscles from working out. It's what I find it really effective for. And at night time, it really helps me sleep. So I have like a drop of it and I'll be asleep within like 10 minutes, right? It really works. It helps me get a lot more sleep and actually have a full sleep, like how to explain this, like a deep sleep where actually my muscles are recovering. It feels like more like I can get in like 10 hours sleep, like 8 hours sleep, and I feel like I've slept like 12 hours. I feel really good, like fully recovered. Anyways, so a bit about the science behind their Cbdpure. So it is cool pressed and unfined. It's done with the CO2 extraction method, alright, so that's very good. It's full spectrum cannabinoids, so you get the effects from all the cannabinoids, not just the CBD, actually all the cannabinoids in there except THC. It's organic, right? 100% organic, right? And it is best for oral delivery, right? It's suitable for oral delivery, meaning like you can put it in your mouth. It's really healthy. So CBD and your health. So this is good. Cannabinoids promote a healthy state of mind and general stress reduction. So basically, it's going to help with stress reduction, the same. So mental health. Now, your general health, cannabinoids safely promote natural relief and good health, helping improve wellness by supporting your internal recovery and healing process. So it's going to help you recover and heal a lot better. Now, this is a very good thing for pain and to help with your good sleeps because it will help you like relax more and get a proper sleep in. So it restores balance. Cannabinoids help promote and restore balance to the endocannabinoid system, basically a system in your body, is right. It's just going to help out with your body's reproductives. So it's just basically gonna be very good for your body. So there's got some things what people are saying about it. You can jump over to the website, like I said, go through all their what people are saying, all the reviews from them that they have got. So it actually has third-party lab testing. So it's gonna send you all the documentation that you need to know, like all you want to know about the CBD, the product that you're gonna be taking. So it's not just got fucking garbage in it. It actually has everything. It's 100% tested. So it's 100% safe for your body, good for you, right? There's the lab. You get like the lab results when you buy it. So it's safe and effective. Now, this is the cool thing about this company. They actually have CBD oil. Now, liquid soft gel. Now, this is to rub on, like say if you've got sore muscles, right? You can rub that on that part and it will actually like get rid of the pain. It's really good for the recovery of it. Now same with the cream. The cream is really good for your joints and muscles, so you can rub that on your muscles, on your joints, and that will really help with recovery. And they've also got the oil for the pets. The main thing that I like about that I've actually got from these guys is the oil, just because how actually good quality it is, right? I heard heaps of really good things about it, and once I got it, I actually realized how good it is. So this is what I've been getting. First off, I started off with the 1 month supply of the 1000 milligrams, because you only need to take 33 milligrams per day. I take it in the morning, one serving in the morning, one serving at night, right? And so this is going to last me for a very long time, which it did. It lasted me for about, I think it lasted for about 2 months. Like it says it should last 1, but it ended up lasting for 2. So I decided to get the 6 month supply, where it works out to only be $56 a bottle. So it's super cheap. It's actually getting you're getting 600 mils for 6,000 mils, right? MGs for only $340, which is absolutely, that's a score for the quality of this. I highly recommend trying it out. If you aren't satisfied, you can actually get your money back guaranteed, right? Which is awesome with this company. So they have frequently asked questions about them. There's some success stories. You can click the link down below and we'll send you over to the website and you can check out all of them. I'll just show you how to actually buy from these guys if you are interested. So what you're going to do, you'll click on whatever you want. For example, I picked the 6 month supply for only $340, right? You can get a lot cheaper ones, but if you buy in bulk, it works out a lot cheaper, right? Now, the good thing about these guys is that, as you can see, they actually ship to the UK and the US. Most companies like this only ship to the US, but this actually ships to the UK, the US, and how would you pronounce that? Like Puerto Rico. Sorry, that's not the way to pronounce it, but if you know that place, that's another place. But the best thing about it is the UK and the US, which most people will be from. They ship very fast, right? I highly recommend trying these guys out. You can pay with credit card, a Visa card, all the type of cards you can pay with just there, as you can see. So Master, all them ones you can pay with. If you are looking for a CBD company to buy from, I do recommend these guys. I highly recommend this. Until this one, I didn't find any that actually helped with what I was looking for, and this was the only one that actually helped. Alright guys, there'll be a link down in the description box below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. There's going to be many more videos CBD related on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to for the future videos. Anyways guys, take care.